This is a Reiki high security cylinder. This is a multi-lock interactive clone. This is not the same level of security as a multi-lock, but it is the same concept. So maybe if you were thinking about jumping into the multi-lock game, trying out one of these would be great to kind of teach you how the system works. So gotta click on one, nothing on two, gotta click on three, gotta click on four, coming back up to number three, two, one, two, three, four, and I keep losing my place. So there's one, there's two, three, four. Is one not up high enough? Four, three, something out of two, there's one. I just had to get one up higher. So there's four, there's three. And did I drop one back down? One, two, alright, so there's four. Now we're in the deeper full set. One. So let's see. There's two. So all I should have to do is, yep, I just had to hit the inner pin on one and it's open.